Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust QLED color settings on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. First of all, play some video for the reference to see the changes as soon as they are applied, and then press the gear button on your remote control to go to the quick settings menu, and here select picture. Then in the picture menu we're gonna have to scroll down to advanced settings. Now here you can enable HDR if it's available for your media type to enhance colors. You can also change the color temperature in the color temperature menu. Here you have to select the color temperature mode. You can select between user, cool, standard and warm, and then also manually adjust the gain for one of the three main colors. Besides, we can also enable or disable dynamic color boost, which will increase the colors on our screen even more if you want to, and the flash tone will make the flash tones more orange if you change this value from off to either low, medium or high. And besides, we can also adjust HDMI RGB range and color space for some media types. And here at the very bottom we have basically the main color adjustment settings, which are color tuner. So if you enable color tuner, you'll be able to adjust colors gain for each setting you have for your for each main setting for your image. For example, hue, HUE, saturation, brightness, offset and gain. So in each of these menus you'll be able to adjust the color values. And beneath we have 11-point white balance correction, where we can change the gain of the color and each of the colors, and adjust each of the color gain manually by moving these levelers. And that's basically all the settings that we have here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.